Thinking of replacing your teeth with dental implants, but worried about the total cost that you have to pay? Blyss Dental is here to give you the top 7 tips to save money on your dental implant cost. Tip number 1. Explore outside your neighborhood. Venture outside of your neighborhood and compare prices from different dental offices. Evaluating options pays off, always, especially for major treatments like dental implants. Tip number 2. Get the total cost from start to finish. Avoid surprises. Make sure that your estimate includes the total cost from start to finish. This may include the cost of extractions, x-rays, and the final teeth that were not in the original advertisement. All you have to do is ask. Tip number 3. Scrutinize offers and discounts like a savvy consumer. Cheap dental implant offers and discounts are everywhere. Many dental implant offers and ads are just the dental implant post themselves. They exclude the second half of the cost of the crowns and prosthesis that attach to the implants. Tip number 4. Stick with top implant brands. Yes, top implants may be priced higher, but they have a better track record of success. Plus, you may not be able to repair your implants in the future if your generic brand goes out of business. Tip number 5. Ask for guarantees. Asking for a guarantee can be tricky, but there is nothing wrong with asking your dentist what she will do if something goes wrong with your dental implants. Tip number 6. Avoid paying upfront for everything. The way to go? Pay as you go. Only pay the cost of the procedure that has been done on each stage of the treatment. Each stage is done months apart, so this definitely makes sense. Tip number 7. Choose a dental practice that is transparent on pricing. A dental practice that publishes its prices online and gives you the full cost up front surely raises a green flag. Choose dental practices that offer great transparency on pricing. At Blyss Dental, we want to help you achieve what's best for you by providing helpful and insightful information. We offer a complimentary consultation, so book your appointment now. Visit our website and follow us on social media to know more about dental implants and our other services. Blyss Dental is with you every step of the way.